Imagine waking up one day, and the war has already started. Not between countries, but between humans and machines. Drones in the sky, robots on the streets, sirens in the distance. You are not the target, you're just in the way. If a war between AI robots and humans ever happens, survival won't depend on weapons, it will depend on knowing where not to be. Part 1. The first rule. The biggest mistake people would make in a robot war is hiding in obvious places: cars, streets, shops, offices. Machines are built to scan open spaces, cameras, heat sensors, motion detection. Open areas become the most dangerous places. First rule: avoid open streets whenever possible. Stay close to buildings, move through alleys, use cover. Walls block sensors better than distance. Even a thin barrier can hide movement. Distance does not hide you, cover does. Part 2. How machines find you. Robots wouldn't need to see you to detect you. They can detect movement, heat, sound, phone sending signals, wireless devices. Most people would carry the biggest tracking device in their pocket, their phone. Second rule: reduce electronic signals. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, location services, airplane mode, if necessary. Digital signals travel farther than footsteps. Silence keeps you hidden. Part 3. The safest places. During a robot war, the safest places wouldn't be obvious. High-tech areas would be the most dangerous. Smart buildings, industrial zones, transport hubs, military targets. The safest places would be low-priority zones, small residential streets, older buildings, underground areas. Basements for reduced detection, concrete block signals. Metal structures interfere with sensors. Third rule: move downward, not upward. Rooftops expose you, underground protects you. Part 4. Movement rules. Movement becomes dangerous. Fast movement attracts attention. Running creates noise and motion patterns. Slow and irregular movement is harder to detect. Fourth rule: move slowly and unpredictably. Pause often. Change direction. Avoid straight lines. Machines predict patterns. Unpredictable movement increases survival. Part 5. Most important rule: if machines ever fight humans, the most dangerous instinct will be curiosity. People will watch, record videos, stand near windows, go outside to see. But in a real machine conflict, events happen fast. And machines do not hesitate. The safest decision is often the simplest one. Stay hidden, stay quiet, stay unnoticed. If a war between humans and machines ever begins, the survivors won't be the strongest. They will be the hardest to find, because in a world watched by machines, invisibility becomes survival.